In this video, let me start with the question number 4. Simplify. In that first question is 7x minus 8, which is in the bracket, and in another bracket we are having 3x minus 2, plus 2. So in this, between these two polynomials, what we have to do? We have to do multiplication here. Okay, let me start with the first term, and we have to multiply with the both terms separate here. So 7 3 is 21, and here remember power will be 1. So the bases are same, so we can add the powers. 1 plus 1, that is 2. Next, 7 2 is 14, and here it is plus sign, and we have only x here. Now next, minus plus, nothing it is there, means there will be plus sign. Okay, minus plus minus 8 3 is 24, and the variable only x. Now minus plus minus 8 2 is 16. Now for the, look at this, we are having here like terms. Okay, here it is x and here it is x, but the terms which is having a unlike sign, so we need to subtract. Okay, before that let me write 21x square as it is. Here we need to subtract 24 minus 14, I'll be having 10, and the bigger number carrying the negative sign, that is minus 10, and the variable which is x, and minus 16 here. Okay, so this is the what, here is the answer. Question number 2, px minus q, and here it is px plus q. See, this is like a minus b, and here it is a plus b. Okay, for this what we are having? We are having a square minus b square, right? So similarly we can write for this, we will be having p square x square, you can just write, or we can write px bracket square also. Okay, now minus, here it is, in the place of b will be having q square. Okay, or if I am going to do with the detail, see here, px into px, I'll be having p square and x square. Now plus px into q, I'm going to write pqx. Okay, after that minus plus minus, and here q into px, I'm going to write pqx. Okay, so it will be easiest to find out the like terms. Minus plus minus q into q, that is q square. Now see here, plus and this minus pqx get cancelled, so what left? P square x square minus q square here. So this is the what we found here also according to the formula, and if you are doing detail, still you'll get the same answer. Question number 3, 5a plus 5b minus c, and here 2b minus 3c. Okay, let me start multiplying first term of this polynomial with the each term of this polynomial here, and here nothing it is there, means remember there will be positive sign, and the power not mention anything, means there will be power 1 here. Okay, now see here, plus plus remains plus, and now I'm going to multiply numericals. 5 2s are 10, and a into b, I'll be having ab. Okay, next, plus minus minus 5 3s are 15, and the variables I'll be having AC. Okay, the next I'll go to the next term, plus, that is plus only. 5 2s are 10, and here it is bases are same, so in that case we can add the powers. 1 plus 1, that is 2. Now plus minus minus, and 5 3s are 15, and BC here. Okay, now we have left with the last term, minus plus minus and 2. Again here nothing it is there, means there will be 1 here. Okay, for the C, 1 2s are 2, and CB, that is I'm going to write BC. Okay, now next minus minus plus, and again 1 3 is a 3, and C bases are same, so we can add the powers. I'll be having 3cc square here. Okay, so here we will find the like terms. As you can see here, here it is BC and here it is BC. Okay, so both terms are having the like sign, so we can add here directly. Now before that, whatever it is there, let me write 10AB minus 15AC plus 10B square, and here it is 15 plus 2, I'll be having 17, and bigger number carrying the negative sign, and the variable which is BC plus 3c square. So this is the what final answer. Question number 4, 4x minus 5y, and here it is 5x minus 4y. So here I'll start multiplying this term with the both term, then I'll go to the next second term. Okay, 4 5s are 20, and x into x, I'll get x square. Now plus minus minus, and 4 4s are 16, and xy. Next, minus plus minus, 5 5s are 25, and y into x, that I'm going to write xy. Minus minus plus, and 5 4s are 20, and y into y square, that is. Now you can see here we will find the like terms, so we can add that because it is like signs. Okay, now 25 plus 16, when I'll add, I'll get 5 plus 6, that is 11, 1 here, 4. Okay, 1 plus 1 2, and 2 plus 2 is 4, and here it is bigger number carrying the negative sign, that is minus 41xy plus 20y square we will get here. Okay, Here is the question number 5. Now look at this at left side. See here, I'm going to consider this as a plus b, and here at this a minus b. So whenever we are having a plus b and a minus b, this for this is for a square minus b square, right? So according to this, if I have written for this, I'll be having 3 square y square minus 4 square z square, right? Now for the 3 3 is a 9 and y square minus 4 4 is a 16 and z square. Okay, now if you are doing multiplication method here, like 3 3 is a 9 y into y square. Okay, now let me multiply this term with this one. Now 3 4 is a 12, and before that we are having plus minus minus. Okay, and y into z yz. Now we'll come to the next term, plus 4 3 is a 12, z into y. I can just write yz also, plus minus minus 4 4 is a 16, z into z square. Now see here, this minus and plus 12yz get cancelled, so what left? 9y square, and here it is minus 16z square. Okay, now we will simplify that one. Now see here, okay, now 2y is a 2y square plus 2y into z, 2yz, here plus sign, 7z into y, 7zy, or you can just write yz also, because it will easy for to understand the like terms here. Okay, okay, now plus sign, 7 into 7z into z, that is 7z square here. Okay, now see here, here it is we are having the like terms, and like terms having the like sign, so we can add here. So I'll be having 2y square, 7 plus 2, that is 9, and the bigger number carrying the positive sign, and yz plus 7z square we found, and in between this we are having here positive sign here. Now we will look after the like terms here. Okay, here it is y square and here it is y square, and these terms are having the like signs, that is positive. 9 plus 2, I'll get 11, and the variable which is y square. Okay, we have done with this. Let me make a circle. The next one is we are having z square, right? But here it is having a negative sign for the 16, and here it is positive. So unlike signs, so we need to do subtract. Okay, 16 minus 7, I'll get 9 z square, and the bigger number carrying the negative sign. Okay, we have done with this, and this and this. So only we left with plus 9yz here. Okay. Question number 5. The adjacent sides of a rectangles are x square minus 4xy plus 7y square and x cube minus 5xy square, and find its area here. So the figure which is in the shape of rectangle, and the sides has been given here. So by using these sides, we have to find here area of the rectangle here. Okay, let's begin with this. So they have said that which is a rectangle, right? Rectangle, and see here, let me give a name A, B, C, D here. So they have said adjacent side. Adjacent side is nothing but the sides which will be having a common vertex here. For example, this for this and for this. Okay, I cannot say these sides are adjacent sides here, which are the opposite side here. Okay, and for this is opposite side here. So in that adjacent sides value it has been given. Okay, so we can consider any one side for any side here. Minus 4xy plus 7y square, and for this I'll consider this is x cube minus 5xy square. Okay, and this is the length and this is the breadth here. Okay, and we need to find here area of a rectangle, right? And area of rectangle formula we're having, that is L into B. Okay, and L which is x square minus 4xy plus 7y square, put it in the bracket, and B, that is we are having x cube minus 5xy square. This also I have to put in the bracket. Now I'll start multiplying here. Remember, here nothing it is there, means there will be plus and 1, and here it is plus sign, and the powers will be 1 for here. Okay, now plus into plus, that is plus only 1x square into x cube we need to multiply. See here, 1 into 1 I'll be having 1, and which is not necessary to write also. Now x square and x cube, both bases are same, so in that case power we can add 2 plus 3, that is 5. Okay, now I'll go to the next term, plus into minus minus. Okay, x square here, before that 1 into 5, that is 5. Okay, now look at the same basis, here it is x and here it is x, so the powers we can add 2 plus 1, that is 3, and y square. Okay, now similarly we will start with the second term, minus plus minus 4 into 1, that is 4, and x 1 plus 3, that is 4, and y. Now minus minus plus 4 5s are 20, here it is x 1 plus 1, that is 2, and for y 1 plus 2, that is 3. Okay, now I'll go to the last term, plus 7 into 1 7, and variables will be having x cube y square, here it is x cube, here it is y square, plus into minus minus 7 5s are 35, and we have only x at this side, we don't have x at this side, and for the y 2 plus 2, that is 4 here. Okay, now for the further simplification we have to look after the like terms here. Okay, now here we are having x raised to the power 5, and this is only one term we are having. Okay, let me write here. Now x cube y square, where I'll find here. Okay, these are the like terms, but it is having an unlike sign, so in that case we need to subtract. 7 minus 5, I'll be having 2, and the variables, let me write x cube y square, and the bigger number carrying the positive sign here. Okay, we have done with this. Okay, I have written this also, right? Now apart from this we don't have any like terms, so remaining thing I'm writing as it is: minus 4 x raised to the power 4 y plus 20 x square y cube minus 35 x raised to the x into y raised to the power 4 here. Okay, this is what area of the rectangle here. Okay,